Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use templates on a whiteboard in a meeting on the Zoom app. So if you are on the whiteboard, you just have to go to the left side and look on the toolbar and go almost on the bottom, because here you can see a template icon, the third one from uh, the bottom. And here you can browse through them, or you can search for categories, for example agile and scrum, for example, or design and research, sports and games, friends and family, strategy and planning, let's say design and research. And here you can select one by tapping on it, and on the top right corner you just tap on use template, and here you can complete these by looking onto them. You can complete here on the purpose, the scope, the definitions, the process diagram. You can complete here with text, with drawings. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.